Hi, this is Austin Beach Resort located at GILI Island, Indonesia. Looks very nice. The facilities are very good at Austin Beach Resort. Nice weather, fresh air. Here, whoever comes to Indonesia, so from Bali to here, the only facility is by boat. After reaching here, we'll have these horse cabs. Interesting, very interesting horse cabs. This is Austin Beach Resort. They will charge around 1 lakh rupees, Indonesian rupees. Horse cab looks very nice. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah. Fine.
Tangga.
Tangga means
Tangga?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Oh.
Tomorrow. Okay. These are the facilities available at Austin Beach Resort. Lot of horse cabs. This is inside the reception area. The staff was very good. They are highly responsible. They are very polite. This is a kids play zone. And next to it is a swimming pool. Very nice swimming pool. It looks nice. Good experience to stay here. You will get good experience. This is the pool, swimming pool. So there is no diving here. Just to enjoy the water. They have bar also, attached bar also. These are the rooms, cottages available here. The rooms are very nice. They are big. Thank you.